What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I also have the lovely kids out here, and we are back. Yup. We are back for yet another month, ladies and gentlemen. It is the month of April, and as I said, every month I will be back to share with you what you can grow in Zone 9A. Now, I did ask for everybody in all of the various zones that you are living in to drop those down, and I will be sure to let you know what you can grow in the month to come, which is April, in your zone, right? So all you can do is just scroll down to the description below, click the link. You can then see what you can then grow in your zone, in your home, be it outside, be it indoors, raised beds, container gardening, 5-gallon bucket, anything, go for it, okay? So now, started with Zone 9A, which some of these things I have already started growing. Some of these things I will have a video for tomorrow. And one of these things I'm actually growing, and I'll show it to you. But nonetheless, we have basil, beans, cantaloupe, celery, chili peppers, collards, corn, cucumbers, eggplant, and lettuce. Yes, we can grow celery in the month of April. Celery. You like celery? Okay. So I'm gonna have to try to find some celery. Okay, noted. Thank you, ma'am. So also, we can do some okra, onions, parsley, sweet potatoes, pumpkins, sage, summer squash, turnips, strawberries, okay? So we just had strawberry season here in Tampa, like it was a whole strawberry festival and everything like that. And so if you are in the 9A zone, you can still grow some strawberries, okay? And that may be interesting because I saw some pine berries. Man, these cars are loud today. But I saw some pine berries that I was very interested in. So I may look into like buying them and growing them and bring you all on that journey. So, all right, let's keep going. Last but not least, we can grow sweet corn, tomatoes, watermelon, and zucchini, okay? Those are the things that you can put outside in your garden in Zone 9A. Now, like I said, there are some things that I've already started to grow from seed, of course, that I just listed, okay? And I'm gonna show you those things real quick, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, so right here we have some corn starting up. I have 2 stalks of corn, actually 3 stalks of corn that have done very well. We also have some eggplant over here, which I can actually grow as well. We got some eggplant that I have started in the cocoa core. Remember, we did that video, flashback to that bad boy. Here is the growth of that. And then we also have some pepper plants growing right now, which they are still young. You do want to make sure that you have like 2, strands of leaves before you go ahead and plant it out there, such as this, right? So you have 2. So you have 1 set, 2 set. But like I said, I've already planted 1 corn stalk already in a 5-gallon bucket, which I will do the other ones as well. Probably take up some of this Swiss chard. We'll see. We'll figure it out. And just like that, like I said, the main thing you want to do when growing is making sure that your seeds are ready for the season in which you will be planting them, okay? Some things you can direct sow and you'll be good to go just like that, but there are things in which you want to make sure you go ahead and start them, okay, if you're growing from seeds. Or if you're growing from seedlings, you'll be already good to go and satisfied, okay? Now I'm showing you all this area because I think I made my decision pertaining to what I'm gonna do with this area. And if you've been following my videos, you know what I've been thinking about. So at the end of the day, I will keep this video in context and what it's all about. And that is talking about what you can grow in April in your zone, the zones that have been listed, okay? I wonder what like people above zone 5 is growing. Like they're at the top. Like, what can you grow? But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I love you all. We'll see you next time. Richie, you want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say see you later? Yeah. All right. Peace. All right, Rain, tell the people bye.
Bye.
Say see you later.
See you later. My daddy told me to say bye.
You are funny. Yeah.